Hello everyone, my name is Weltha, and today we will be making pork chops, smothered pork chops with mushroom and onion. So come on, let's go cook. Okay, so here's the pork chop, and I have already cleaned it. Here's the pork chop, and now we're gonna season it. So let's get some garlic salt. We're going to use the garlic salt. We're going to use onion powder. And we're going to also use the spice. This spice is called Creole seasoning. For some reason, I just like to use it. Then we're gonna get some black pepper. Sprinkle the black pepper over it. Both sides. And then we're gonna wash my hands. Okay, now we're gonna get the flour mix. Dip each pork chop into flour mix. And make sure you have your skillet on with the grease cooking. So you season each pork chop like that with the flour mix that I made, which has onion powder and garlic powder and the Creole seasoning in it also. And you shake it off. Okay, this is the pork chops all battered up. This is how they should look with the flour batter. Okay, so now let's go fry them. Okay, so we have the pork chops in the skillet. We're gonna let them cook until they turn golden brown on each side. Just for a few minutes, because they're kind of thin, so they don't have to cook long. So let them turn golden brown, and then we're gonna flip them over to the other side. Okay? Okay. So they're turning golden. So I flipped it over. And we're going to let this side turn golden. And then we'll be done. The first part. Let them get golden, okay? Nice and golden. Okay, so both sides are golden brown. So what we're going to do now is take them out. Come over here. Here, brown, nice and golden brown, nice color to them, and then we're gonna cook the other two. Okay, so we have the pork chops ready. So now we're gonna get the we're gonna make gravy for this. So what we need is we're gonna make mushroom gravy. So we're gonna make. I chopped up some mushrooms, and I have onions over here. And I have my flour, and I have some cornstarch that I mixed with some chicken bouillon. So you stir all that together. Stir that together. Okay, and then you put your skillet on with some oil, just a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Just let it get hot. And then you're gonna bring the onions and the mushrooms over. Okay. So we have the onions in there. Let them cook. Mushroom in there also. Stir it all together. Okay, so letting that cook. While it's cooking, we can put the seasoning. We put some black pepper. Put some garlic salt. You know I love my garlic salt. And we'll put a little paprika in there. And of course, onion salt. Okay. We'll stir all this up. Just a few minutes. Mushrooms and the onions. We cook it all together. A few minutes. Let it simmer for a few minutes, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna add some flour mix to this. So, I added some flour mix. It's the flour that I use with my my spices in it. Okay, so I mixed it as good as I could. So we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit. Let it get brown. Okay. Okay. Next, you're gonna get some water. Like half a cup of water, and you get a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon, and you mix it together. You just mix it with the cornstarch also. And you put a tablespoon of cornstarch in here, and you just stir all of it together. And it's going to look like that. Then you pour that into this mixture. Mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good, but it's a little thick, so we're gonna add some more water to it. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit more. I'm gonna add some more water to it. So I'm gonna add like a cup, 1 cup and a half of water to it. Okay. Now you're gonna stir it all up. Keep stirring it. You can also use get the whisk and stir it if you like. So just stir it all together. Let it simmer. And when it comes to a boil, this time it should be done. Just is the mushroom and onion gravy for the pork chops. So right now we're gonna grab the pork chops and put them in. Okay, so it looks like the gravy is good. It's ready. So let's grab the pork chops and put them in there. Pork chops that we already fried. That's one. That's the other one. Now we're just gonna soak them all in that good gravy. Let us soak in there. Okay. Now you're gonna put the lid over it. Let's cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, so the pork chops, smothered pork chops and gravy with mushroom and onion is done. Now we're gonna make a plate. Okay, for the side dish I made some garlic mashed potatoes and I made the green sweet peas. Okay, here's the meal. You have your smothered mushroom and onion pork chops with the garlic mashed potatoes, and we have a biscuit and we have sweet peas. And this is the meal for tonight, and I hope you guys enjoyed making it with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.